watching, judging it all. But what if I fly? What if I shine? What if the world was waiting this time?